guys, I've never been to the Russian River before. There are multiple parking places here. Pretty sure they have the red salmon parking lot, and they have the pink salmon, and they have grayling. Pink salmon is like the second farthest parking lot, and grayling is the farthest. Yeah, this is pink salmon right here. I guess grayling was full, so let's just stick with pink salmon. Alright guys, back on the trail. If you've never been to the Russian River before, this is the Russian River Trail. If you follow this trail, it'll lead you all the way out to the near where the ferry is, or the sanctuary. That's what they call it. But I just talked to one of the fellow fishermen, and it's probably like half a mile down here, and he limited it out, so I have to give it a try. Let's see. See if we can find like a little pocket of deep water and just wait for these fish to come up, so I don't have to walk all the way down to the sanctuary. So honestly, I really don't want to walk that far. It is forgot to give you guys time, but it's like 8 right now. I'm trying to see if I can limit out before 12 o'clock, so I can get my next limit for the next day. I see a couple fish. They're on the other side though. Don't really want to walk over there. So my wader does have a hole, and honestly, I don't want to get it wet at the moment. Well, I guess if I have to, I will. Another thing too is always be cautious of your surroundings, especially here at the Russian River. There are an abundance of bears, black bears, brown bears, so always gotta be careful. Let's go see. Let's go walk on the water. So why not? This river is pretty fast at times too, so I would be careful walking across. Oh, there's so many fish. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's tons of fish. There's tons of fish. Oh no. Ow. Oh, so this fish is filed hook. Oh man, this guy's big. Have to let that guy go. Foul hook, so. Oh yeah, they're still stacked up in there. Oh, I had him. Guys, there's tons of fish coming down the river, or coming up the river. What? Oh no. Oh, that one's legal. Oh yeah, right in the mouth. Oh, no. No. There you go. Oh my goodness, that was good. Oh, I hate it when they run like this, man. I have you in the mouth. Why are you running? Look, he's coming straight towards me. Dude, this guy is huge, man. Woo! There we go. That's the limit. Oh, he's in the current. Woo! Man, these guys are big. Oh. Look at that, guys. Oh man, this guy is big. Woo! All right. Ow. One man limit, probably like an hour. Honestly, if I wasn't playing around so much, I probably would have limited out in like 30 minutes. But I caught so many fish, guys. Whew, and these guys are huge. These are a lot bigger than Seward. All right, I gotta change the battery, so I'll resume it once I finish. The stairs of doom, guys. If you want a good workout, come down to the Russian River. Carrying about 20 pounds of fish. My goodness. Going up these stairs. killer. Now imagine you parked all the way to by the first parking lot. Oh my goodness. One day, I do want to go climb and go see the Russian River Falls. School. Oh! There we go. Yep, you're good.
That was quick, huh?
I guess, yeah.
It was hot yesterday down here.
Yeah.
There was tons of, were you guys fishing yesterday?
Oh, I was here. I was up there, and there was just coming in schools.
There was a period yesterday, like every 5 minutes, like 30 of them would run by.
Yep,
It was like,
yep.
Didn't take long.
Did you have a stringer?
Go! You gotta go with it.
Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see it. That's all fish. Woo. This is part of the sanctuary, so it is not open yet. Cannot fish this area. So if you guys are wondering why there's so many fish stacked up here, that's the reason why. There's so many. The sanctuary should open up maybe next week or two. Oh, there we go, fish. Yes. Tip. You can tip down in the water and walk the fish. Hold it, stay right there. Put your tip down, mark the fish in. Alright, just mute yourself. That works too. Oh. Oh, look. It's like dead fish from last season. Ma. I'm not gonna lose it. 23%, guys. See if I can catch my limit. Oh, it feels so nice, guys. The sun is out. I have my jacket off. Ow. Don't forget to wear gloves, guys. I forgot gloves. Oh, there we go. Kennedy, come. Put your rod tip in the water. Walk the fish. Put it in the water. Okay. Put it in the water.
I did the water. What do you mean? Oh my god.
Oh, dude, this guy is huge. Dude, look at this guy. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, you better.
Come to me. Oh. Band-Aid? I don't know. What happened? You hook yourself? Okay, go ahead. Hiya. Nice fish.
Oh, that's a big one.
Hiya. Not as big as mine.
I don't want to see that there.
Oh, backpack full of fish. Man, dude, it's like 60, 70 pounds. Oh, I get the beanie just because there's so many mosquitoes. I don't want my ears to get bitten. But it's such a gorgeous day today. Look at that. And this is the new walkway at the Russian River. It's actually so nice. The trail is so much better. It's much easier to walk. Whew. If you guys made it this far to the video, thanks for watching. Yesterday I was down here, caught my limit, came down again the next day, caught another limit, this time with my dad, Gavin and Kennedy. You all limit out, so fishing is good, guys. If you guys want to come down to the Russian River, super hot right now, so make sure you guys are ready. because fishing is gonna be really good. I think down in the Kenai it's gonna be really good as well, so stay tuned for more videos, guys. It's gonna be a fun summer. Thanks for watching.